Okay, good morning everyone. Good morning, visually. Good evening. Good afternoon to all the Filipinos all over the world. I know today is the continuation of the ICC's what calls that hearing uh, sa issue ni PRRD. This is the only thing that I could say. Tatay Digong is the father of modern justice in and of the Republic of the Philippines. I shall say, I need to say, I must say, I have to say, I could say, and I would like to say, and I will always say, Tatay Digong is the father of modern justice here in our country, the Republic of the Philippines. Sa mga taong nagtraidor sa kanya, eto lang sabihin ko sa inyo, ibalik nyo siya. Gumawa kayo ng post sa mga social media niyo. Sabihin nyo, ibalik si Tatay Digong. After all, ICC has no longer jurisdiction in our country. And most especially, I'm not sure, are you a private organization or government sponsored organization or both private and government? All I can say is you're wasting a lot of money. You're wasting a lot of time. You're wasting a lot of effort. Your group effort. Bring us back our Tatay Digong. We need him more than you know. And also, to the Human Rights Commission, all I can say, Tatay Digong did not just cared for the human lives of the Filipino people. He cared for all the human rights of the Filipino people. So I say again, I say it again, he cared both human rights and human lives of all Filipino people. And I believe Tatay Digong set an example here in our country, the Republic of the Philippines. And not just in our country, my fellow Filipino, but all over the world. Tatay Digong wanted to be an example all over the world. That crime has no place in this world. Just come to think of all the rape people, rape women, girl, child, infant, grandmother. Just come to think of that. Stolen lives because of crime. And I can't stop. He really is the father of modern justice. I must say, in the whole world, he is the father of modern justice. So, again and again also, I can say, and I must say, and I need to say, and I shall say, I would like to say, and I could say, I have to say, sa justice system sa Pilipinas, it's time to change. Huwag nating hayaan na like aabot ng 10 years yung sistema ng pagkukuha ng hustisya. Sana naman gayahin natin yung ibang bansa. Like US. Like US. Like other countries na ang bilis-bilis. And alam na alam ko kayo dyan na nasa Supreme Court, nasa justice, anong tawag dyan nila? Justice system ng Pilipinas natin na gusto nyo rin na mabilis. And gawin na po natin yan. And huwag ko tayong magpahuli. No? Alam ko may mga kamag-anak kayo sa ibang bansa na ang bilis-bilis ng hustisya. So, yan lang. Tulong-tulong po tayong lahat. Tulong-tulong. And I shall say again, Tatay Digong is the father of modern justice here in the Republic of the Philippines. Sana, hope namin na makauwi na siya this year. ICC, bring us back our Tatay Digong. That's all I can say. Thank you for listening to me, ka-visually. Bye-bye. Gracias. Kamsahamnida. Shishe. Kapungka. Kamsahamnida. And nakasalamat. Maraming salamat po. That's all I can say. Thank you.